So we're at Delaware Speedway, and as it does at Delaware Speedway, apparently, it's raining. Oh, hold on, it's getting windy. Hold on, boys. This is just that's Gary Adrian. Yeah, this sucks. Just we're supposed to be beautiful all day, all week. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We left work today. Beautiful. He was calling for beautiful. No, sure as crap. As soon as we get here, we got at least this week we got practice.
Yeah.
But the weather just apparently is just built up off. Did it even come off the lake, or where's it coming from? I don't know.
Yeah.
Somewhere from the sky, it is falling. So this is the situation now, and I don't even know if we're gonna get to race tonight. The weather just keeps building up. It's heading this way. I really hope this isn't the entire vlog, but if it is, I guess I'll say that we were 7th in practice, but we were scuffing tires and we weren't really going fast. So I'm very optimistic about tonight, assuming that we get to race. Well, look at all the poor people that are up top. Ay. Alright, well, we'll check back in. Hopefully it's before our heat race. got a heat race in, but as you can see, we are home, and we did not get to run the feature tonight. At least we got something in. We ran the heat race, drove from 8th to 4th on the high side, and then the track was getting a little slippery down in 3 and 4. It was starting to rain about halfway through the race, and I came over the radio right at the start, didn't I?
Yeah, you did.
It started to pick up a little. It was still drivable, but went up 4th in the heat race, which I think it's a long drive home. We were figuring out points and stuff, how that'll work, but I think that technically, officially, unofficially, whatever you want to say, puts us tied for the points lead. So I guess we'll call that a good points night. I don't know if they'll make up the feature or what they'll do. If that just counts as a night, I'm not sure. But Mother Nature wins tonight. No feature winner tonight. No feature race. I think we got every series got their heat races in though. So the car wasn't as good tonight as it has been. I don't know if it was tires or we made a couple of other little adjustments. Nothing that should have changed it too much. I'm not sure. We were fighting with tires all night and in practice and stuff, and the car just wasn't as good as it has been. So I guess we get turned around, get ready to go to Peterborough Speedway next weekend. Second round of the Quick Pick Superstock Series, and yeah, sucks when you go to the track and you don't get to run the feature.
New hats look good.
New hats. Check these. Oh, I don't have my sunglasses on. Check these out. New JRD Motorsports hats. We took them to the track tonight. We actually almost sold out. So let us know if you want one. We are almost sold out. I think we are sold out of hoodies now.
Officially, I think so.
I think we're sold out of hoodies. We got t-shirts left. Let us know if you want some t-shirts. I'm not wearing mine, but I guess that's a positive from tonight. That's it. Check us out on JRDmotorsports.ca. You can get your apparel there and stay up to date with all of our team stuff. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. We really appreciate it. Make sure you like the video and check out all of our social media channels. And the Douglas Window and Door APC Auto Parts Center, Cyril's Motor Production number 28 will be in action next Saturday night at Peterborough Speedway.